Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the printer error code 0x00000bbb. Operation could not be completed, unable to create a print job. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I would suggest doing would be to open up the search menu. Type in services, best match, should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go down to the print spooler service in here and double click on it. Set startup type to automatic, and if service status is running, go ahead and select stop. And then we're going to select start to start it back up. And then see if that helps resolve the problem in here. Something else we can do as well, if you open up the search menu, type in printers, best match, go back to printers and scanners, go ahead and open that up. Now locate the printer on the list you're having the problem with, and select run the troubleshooter on the drop-down list. And then hopefully at this point it would also again be able to identify exactly what the problem was. So something else to take a look at too. You can also try uninstalling or removing the printer and then reinstalling it. That can sometimes resolve the problem too. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.